So hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you about some concepts in of pointer in C language. So let's start. So the first header file is hash include stdio.h, and the second one is hash include conio.h, then int main, and then using pointer. So what is pointer? We have to first understand what is meant by a pointer. So pointer is nothing but it is just a variable which store the address of the another variable. So we can say that a pointer is a variable which stores the address as its value of another variable. So here AND operator is used to store the address of the another variable. Okay. So for example, let me declare a variable name such as num1. Okay. Yeah. So and the another one is the pointer variable, that is ptr1. We can name a variable as per the definitions of variable. We can name the variables such as ptr1 or anything which we want. And the another is the num2 normal variable, and the another pointer variable is ptr2. So what we try to do is to sum to the two variables. Okay, int ptr sum. Okay, so here we have a pointer variable, dereference pointer variable ptr and ptr1, ptr2, and ptr sum. So we have to store the address of num1 to asterisk symbol ptr1, that is the pointer variable. So we can store the variable in this format. The pointer we have to write first pointer variable and then equal to and address operator and the name of the normal variable. So here it means that the address of this normal variable will be the value of this pointer variable. Okay, this is a statement valid statement to declare a pointer variable. Okay, similarly we can do it here too. ptr2 is equal to and num2 and ptr sum is equal to and sum. Okay, so if we declare the value of num1 such as let me show you here. uh, num1 is equal to 10. Okay, num1 is equal to 10, then what will be the value of ptr1? Ptr1 value will be the address of this variable which is stored in the compiler. For example, the address is 020 anyone which depends upon the specification of the compiler and the operating system which you are using, like 32-bit compiler or 64-bit compiler and operating system, etc. So that will be the value of ptr1. But if we write asterisk symbol first, asterisk symbol, and then ptr1, so it means that the value of the normal variable will be the value of this pointer variable, dereference pointer variable now. And what is the value? 10. Okay, so similarly here, if we declare num2 is equal to 15, then we can directly say that dereference pointer variable ptr2 will be equal to what? Will be equal to 15. And we have to declare the operation now. Sum is equal to ptr1 plus ptr2, and then at last print. So we can print it here as sum wait a second, sum is equal to what? Sum is equal to sum and end line, and at last return 0. So in that way, the pointer variable will sum the value of the normal variable, which has been the relation will be made between the pointer variable and the normal variable. So now let's do it same in the compiler dev C++. So we have to declare first the number. Same here will be done num1, and the pointer variable is ptr1. Okay, and ptr1 is equal to and num1 int num2 int ptr2, and ptr2 is equal to and num2 int sum int ptr sum, and we have to declare ptr sum is equal to and sum. Now we want to take value from the user. Okay, enter the first number in C language. This is written in C language. Scanf %d, and here one conceptual thing is there, that and that conceptual thing is that if we write ptr1, then it will be equal to the value of num1. Okay, but if we write asterisk symbol dereference pointer ptr1, then that will be the value of num1, and sorry, that will be the address. It will be better if we say that it will be the address value of num1. Okay, so what it means, it means that asterisk symbol and this operator will cancel each other, with cancel each other. Okay, so here if we write just the pointer variable, then there will be no issues. Okay, so similarly we take the second value from the user, enter the second number. Okay, similarly scanf %d formatted is specified for int data type, and ptr2, sorry, and will not be used because the reference pointer asterisk symbol and operator will cancel each other. So now pointer sum ptr sum, sorry, ptr sum will be equal to ptr1 plus ptr2, and now we have to show to the user in the console screen. So we can write it here sum, or we can simply write %d plus %d is equal to %d. Okay, and now name the pointer variables ptr1, then second one is the ptr2, and the third last one is the ptr sum. Okay, and then last return 0, and now we have to go to execute icon, and here compile. We have to name the uh, project name, so that will be the pointer in C. Enter. There is zero errors and zero warnings. There are no fault in this code, so now we can run it. So go to the execute and run. So enter the first number. First number is 10, second number 32. So we can see that 10 plus 32 is equal to 42. So that is for the this video, and I will explain other concepts too and other programs too in the next video. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.